नमस्कार मित्रांनो, तुम्ही पाहताय माझं YouTube चॅनल चोरगे सर बायोलॉजी. In this lecture we are going to study the outbreeding devices to prefer the cross pollination. Majority of the flowering plants prefer cross pollination instead of self pollination because self pollination have certain disadvantages like continued self pollination result in the inbreeding depression. So to achieve better vigor, better vitality, better yield, better adaptability, sustainability, the flowering plants prefer the majority of the flowering plants prefer the cross pollination, and to prefer cross pollination the plant have made certain changes, certain structures to avoid self pollination and to prefer cross pollination. And these structures or these devices or these structures are called as outbreeding devices or also called as contrivances. And outbreeding devices, the first outbreeding device is very primitive. It is unisexuality. What is unisexuality? Uni means single, sexuality single sex. What is unisexuality? Unisexuality means plants can produce either male or female flower, never both, either male or female flower. There is no bisexual flower. There is no any bisexual flower. Male flower is separate, female flower is separate. Such condition is called as the unisexuality. And when the male flower and female flowers are separate, then there is no any chance of self pollination is there. And these plants or these flowers can prefer the cross pollination. In unisexuality, some plants are monoecious. Now what is monoecious? Monoecious, the very well known example is maize. Monoecious means a single plant contains both male and female flowers separately. Single plant can contain male and female flower separately. In maize, male flower is separate and female flower is separate. Male inflorescence is terminal, female inflorescence is axillary. There is a separate male flower, there is separate female flower. So in maize plant, unisexuality is maintained to favor the cross pollination. The another example is a dioecious plant. What is dioecious? Here, two separate plants produces male and female flowers. Male plant is separate producing male flower. Female plant is separate producing female flower. Very well known example is papaya. In papaya, male plant is separate and female plant is separate. So there is cross pollination takes place. Understood the unisexuality. Next outbreeding device is dichogamy. Dichogamy means there is a different maturation period of anther and stigma. Different mature. Anther and stigma matures separately. Such condition is called as a dichogamy. In dichogamy is also two types. The first type is a protandry. Pro means primitive or first or earlier, and the word indicates androecium. Here, in protandry, androecium matures earlier than the gynoecium. In protandry, androecium matures earlier than the gynoecium. Here, the flowers are bisexual. Both the sexes are present in a single flower. In the dichogamy, both the sexes are present in a single flower. The flowers are bisexual. But there is no any self-pollination, and to achieve cross-pollination, the first condition is protandry. The different maturation period of androecium and gynoecium. Here in protandry, androecium matures earlier than the gynoecium. Very well known example is the sunflower. And androecium matures earlier, hence the gynoecium is not receptive stigma. Gynoecium do not have the receptive stigma, it is immature. So if there is a pollination takes place, there is no any fertilization. The second example is the protogyny. Proto, earlier or primitive. Gyne, gynoecium. Gynoecium matures earlier than the androecium. Gynoecium matures earlier than the androecium. The very well known example is the gloriose. Understood the dichogamy? Different maturation period of androecium and gynoecium is maintained in the bisexual flower. The next outbreeding device is prepotency. Potency means ability of fertilization. Prepotency means, the very well known example in apple, the prepotency is seen. Prepotency means though the self pollen grains are deposited over the stigma, there is, in prepotency, though the self pollen grains from the same flower, if get deposited over the stigma, the pollen grains from another flower will germinate fast. Understood? Prepotency. There are two types of pollen grains from the self plant or pollen grains from the self flower from the own anther, and pollen grains from the different flower from the different anther. Both types of pollen grains are available in the apple, but in the prepotency condition, the pollen grains from another flower will germinate earlier or will germinate fast to achieve fertilization. This is the prepotency which is seen in the apple. The another outbreeding device is heterostyly or heteromorphy is called. Heterostyly, here the different length, this is the structural mechanism, different length of androecium, different length of stamens or different length of carpel is there, is in the prime rows. For example, there is different position of anther and stigma. For example, in this is the flower, here it is stigma, style and ovary, and androecium are present here. Androecium are present here. So the pollen grains are not get transferred from this anther to the stigma here. There is a difference in the length of the style and in the stamens. The another condition is like this. Here are the anther. So here is the length difference between the anther and stigma. So this length difference achieve the cross pollination. Heterostyly mostly seen in the prime rows. There is the different length, there is the structural differences between the anther and stigma. Next, another example is the hercogamy. Hercogamy is the mechanical device which is seen in the calotropis. Calotropis, the mechanical device or any type of barrier is there, and such barrier is present to avoid the self pollination and to prefer the cross pollination, because in the hercogamy, a well-known example is the calotropis. In calotropis, the pentaangular stigma is present. The stigma is positioned above than the anthers, and there is a structural barrier like pentaangular stigma is positioned above, and the pollen kit or the anthers are positioned below. So there is the position difference. Stigma is above and anthers are below. So hercogamy, there is a mechanical device like seen in the calotropis. There is the membranous pollinia. There is one word in the calotropis, pollinia. Membranous pollinia are seen. Pollinia acts as a mechanical device, and this pollinia contains the pollen grains, but pollinia are lower in position. Here is the structure of pollinia. Pollinia are lower in position. The pollen grains are here produced, and pentaangular stigma is present here. There is the structural difference, and these membranous pollinia are present to avoid the self pollination and to prefer the cross pollination, hercogamy. And the very last step is the sixth, self incompatibility. Incompatibility, or you can also say self sterility. Also say self incompatibility means though the self pollen grains are deposited over the stigma of the same flower, then the pollen germination is avoided. And the pollen germination is avoided in the self-incompatibility, though the pollen grains are deposited over the stigma. Self pollen grains are avoided to germinate, and another pollen grains are allowed to germinate. Such condition is called as the self-incompatibility. This is the genetic mechanism. This is the genetic mechanism mostly seen in the tobacco plant. Self-incompatibility or self-sterility also say. The pollen grains from the same plant or the same flower are avoided to germinate, will not germinate. This is the genetic mechanism, and the pollen grains from the another flower are allowed to germinate. Very well known example is the tobacco. Understood the outbreeding devices. These outbreeding devices are specialized structures or specialized mechanisms developed by certain flowering plants to avoid self-pollination and to prefer cross-pollination, because cross-pollination have advantages in the evolution process. Outbreeding devices, unisexuality. Unisexuality contains monoecious plants like maize or dioecious like papaya. Dipogamy is there. Protandry androecium matures earlier than the gynoecium, and protogyny gynoecium matures earlier than the androecium. Prepotency seen in the apple. Prepotency, pollen grains from the another flower will germinate earlier fast. Heterostyle is there. Structural difference. Hercogamy, physical barrier as seen in the Calotropis. Pollinia are seen. And self-incompatibility means self-sterility. The pollen grains from the same flower will not get germinate. This is the genetic mechanism. Understood the outbreeding devices. तुम्हाला जर व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर चॅनलला सबस्क्राइब करा, नक्की लाईक करा आणि शेअर करा. थँक्यू.